Today we're going to do a song about this silly guy named Ebeneezer Sneezer. He likes to do things backwards and sometimes upside down. Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Let's try it again. Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows anytime he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle. You know this one. Every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Try walking on your elbows, but make sure your feet are on the floor too.